Hi everyone, 31st of October 2023, Tuesday, MAO with Kel. Now, will the Dow be selling down to 31,000 in about 4 weeks' time? Well, apparently it is possible if this CRE problem really blow out of proportion. Apparently it's all right, the commercial real estate known to be CRE could be the next Black Swan event. And I'll tell you more in detail. Let's go. All right, but before that itself, disclaimer apply as usual, and thank you AIMS for the kind sponsorship. All right, one thing is this, guys, S&P United States REITs has been coming down. It has been very quiet. No one really covered about this itself. And in fact, the Australian REITs is also coming down at the same time. You can see that they're both down about 7 to 8% for this year. But the thing is this, no one talking about it. But you notice the selling only came in recently in September, as you can see on the screen right now. But someone has warned us since May itself. And of course, that is the richest man on earth, Elon Musk. Commercial real estate is melting down fast. Home value next. And this is warned by Elon Musk on 29th of May. That was really a few months before it really happened. So the thing is this, but we thought we saw a new article saying that the Blackstone, which is involved in real estate income trust, they are pretty confident. In fact, they say that due to the strong performance in this particular sector, they have basically been making money. And they delivered its 5th consecutive month of positive performance, generating a 0.9% net return. Wow, okay. But the thing is this, contrary to that, the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis is saying that the commercial real estate market poses a challenge to the banks. Okay, so if you think about this right now, if the REITs are not able to be sold off or being used, there's no profit, the bank will be the first to suffer from this because they have been lending a lot of money to the REIT side itself, right? So this is a big concern, and I'll tell you more when you look at the SPDR chart. So the thing is this, right now, you can see that from Bank of America, there is a concern right now because apparently due to their last statement, they have a 6% NPL to loans. That means non-performing loans. In fact, itself, right, as an article says that the non-performing CRE loans surged by 61% at 3 US banks. So think about this. If the banks are not able to get back their money because of the CRE going down, this can spell a big trouble. So the Bank of America, well, Fargo and PNC Bank are the key. Their total, this non-performing loans is from 5.9 billion. Right, it's now at 5.9 billion from 3.7 billion. All right, it's the highest level for each of them since 2019. This is a very big issue. And in fact, it's all right, this is from Goldman Sachs. They have about 43% of their CRE balance sheet on their books. And of course, there is an article saying that, right, they are looking to downsize it. Well, apparently it's all right. This article with the interview says that, right, there is a potential markdown of their CRE exposure. And in fact, itself, they're looking to give a discount towards it. This is really not good. And if the selling start to sell come now, it could continue until next year. And this will get a lot of stress to the entire market. So in fact, the major Australia's REITs have limited withdrawal from unlisted office fund. And in fact itself, you can see over here, at the same time, Blackstone announced major asset liquidation as redemption requests for its risk continuum. Now, this is happening back in June period, and you can see that itself. Right, in June, Blackstone limited redemption from its real estate income trust for the 8th month in a row. That means that the problem has already been occurring since this May-June period itself, and that's why Elon Musk came out and talked about it. So if you look carefully right now, they are actually very worried for 2024 because there will be a very significant office portfolio schedule maturities coming in. And of course, this is not going to be a good sign. And there is the UBS analyst actually asked, we heard from Goldman actually early this week that they got a portfolio of 15 billion CRE, and they are looking to sell a significant chunk of them, and they're going to mark it down for 15% across the board to do that. The office version is down to 50. Oh my goodness. That means that they're selling, and they are really selling. And apparently other banks could be also coming in. So if everybody sell, the question is who's going to buy? Second, if you're selling below the value result, right, definitely, right, there will be an issue with return the money back to the banks and stuff like that. This could definitely lead to a downward pressure on the market. So what I'm trying to do here itself is to show you something here very incredible. This is the S&P SPDR ETF. You can see that the one in blue is the one, the SPDR S&P Regional Banking ETF. You can see that it actually moved together with the Dow quite uniformly, right? So when the Dow, when the thing goes up, the Dow follow through and so forth. All right, so this is fine. But if you look at it, if you actually fast forward things from 2014 to 2018, if you fast forward the tape itself, you can see something going to be very scary. If you look at it right now, that this is where it is. The last time I showed it to you. If you look at it right now, oh my goodness, we are now very far away. So you can see that during the pandemic time, when the Dow was coming down together with the SPDR, all right, you can, oh, this is the REIT, sorry, my bad. You can see that, can you show me this one, this chart here? Okay, you can see that they move in tandem, but round things is going to be funny because if you look at it, right, the S&P SPDR is actually now at the lower end. And of course, if you look at it right now, you compare this with the Dow, they move in tandem. So let me bring it to you. All right, if you put the look at it, they move together. And now we can see that the SPDR and the REITs are all moving together in accordance, but the Dow itself is way, way, way higher. So if this is a continuous stretch itself, right, what could happen is that the Dow is now way, way, way above the current valuation. And of course, if you look at it further, you can see right now that the Dow is trading, okay? The Dow is actually trading way, way on top. So if let's say now the SPDR and the the REITs itself is coming together, and yet the Dow is way on top, right? There is a chance that the Dow could be coming down all the way to come down to about 22,000 level to do what happened back then in the 2020. But of course, I give a discount here as well. Let's look at 31,000 first, because I think that should be a fair marker here. So guys, what do you think? Do you think that the Dow will come down to 31,000, or you think the market also to recover? Because naturally, if this thing goes up, of course, the Dow can go to an all-time high. But the question is this, with all the selling in the market, do you think it will happen? Or let me know in the comment box. Like, subscribe, and share my video. This is Cal signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.